Have you been looking for a functional sedan with styling and reliability that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2018 Volkswagen Passat R-Line in deep black pearl. With LED daytime running headlamps, electronic stability control, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear trunk spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 9.2-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5382B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.